Siddaramaiah always tries to find fault with center to cover up his failure as a chief minister of Karnataka. Now the Karnataka is on the brink of totally bankruptcy. There is no development taking place. SC/ST funds have been misused, and lot of corruption is there in the state. This delimitation will be done with the two-third majority of the parliament. It can't be done overnight. Secondly, the delimitation committee will be there, which is a constitutional body. It can't be done independently. And our Honorable Prime Minister has made it clear on the floor of the parliament that no states will be in injustice done to no states. Pro rata will be given. Everything has been clarified. Still they want to find some reason to do all this kind of injustice against try to bring a bogey of injustice against center to cover up their mistakes.